An extremely critical component on the Kaivac NoTouch cleaning systems, any of the models, is our vacuum recovery head and squeegee blades. It's important on a daily basis after today's job when we get back to the office to inspect our squeegee blades and wheels and head. In this first example, I'm going to show a worn out squeegee head and what we'll need to do to replace. As you can see from this vacuum recovery head, our edges are beginning to get worn, our squeegee blades are damaged and being worn out. We also want to inspect our wheels for proper rotation. So now we're going to take a look at a good working squeegee system. As you see from this unit, we've got new blades, nice and strong and properly in place. We've got new wheels to roll across the floor and allow it to not be vacuumed to the floor too hard. Our head is in good working order and it rotates freely without coming out of our vacuum wand. If you feel that your squeegee blades are worn out and in need of replacement, go ahead and replace them at that time. If not, we suggest you always replace them on a monthly basis. You can find that video under the monthly PM section, how to replace your squeegee blades.